This is the English Language Development course homepage for Mrs. Lancaster. We've got this lovely picture of all the students in the world with all the different flags because my classroom is a multicultural classroom. We have my course information and my information. This actually opens up to my teaching portfolio if anyone were to be interested. And it has my office hours on the thing. So I want to show you one of my assignments that I've created. I might actually go into modules, that might be easier. So got the experience with online learning, which is a discussion, and then Canvas tutorial video for them to watch. Let's see if I had, so this picture, this lesson is kind of a setup because we're the first few chapters are going back to the basics where they learn about voice and voiceless sounds, and they learn about the alphabet and how words go together, and they mark words and things. And some of my students really hate that because it's tedious, but it goes back to this why they need to know the rules of English, and giving this lesson typically helps them to have a little bit more buy-in. So it tells a story about Flint Lombardi, and here's another article that they read and answer the questions here. So, and I have to keep this pretty open as a rubric because my students are at different levels, and I'm not sure how to attach different rubrics to different students. I don't know if that's even possible, but if it is, I'm going to have to learn how to do that. So if I went to the next assignment in the module, here's the awareness test. So I've included the video. You watch the video to test your awareness. And basically this video, they are passing the ball and everyone's counting how many passes the ball the white team is making. Is they're so focused on this white team that they actually miss something that they're not looking for. And so there was actually a bear in the video. I'm sure you've done it before, but then the assignment is watch it again, look in the background behind the players, and then they see the bear. And we're talking about attention, and here we go. And then this is their assignment. And I think let's see, I have an assignment that has a rubric on it, I believe. So here's my voice and voiceless practice. This is after their first lesson. So this assignment has a rubric here. These are the two outcomes, and they either get it or they don't. I'm like, you either get it right or you don't. They either understand it or they don't. So 80% is pass, and lower than 80% is not passing. Some of my other outcomes for the other assignments, like reading and writing, the comprehension would have more of like a 4-3-2-1 kind of thing, but for basic concepts, like it's either a yes or a no. I have some quizzes here. I only have one quiz, and it only has 5 questions because that was the assignment when it was first given, and I'm not going to use this quiz. So I just haven't had, I know how to make a quiz, and that was the point of the assignment here, but I'm not going to, I may use this as like a bonus because I love Harry Potter and my students also should, but so here's Harry Potter names. There's 6 questions. Let's see, I can preview it, right? I don't know. You can see, oh yeah. This is weird. Because I have it, maybe here, Manus Question Banks? That might be it. Okay, so my Harry Potter names, here are all the questions that I used, and these are all the questions I've ever created, and they're all in the same quiz. So um, here we go. Yay. I didn't get a chance to do any badges because every time I tried to add the app is added to my the app is actually added in my thing, but it wouldn't work because I don't know, it just wouldn't work. So I could never log into it. So that's dumb that I couldn't get extra credit. Um, and what else do I have to do? Oh, discussions. I think, let's see, I know that I did an assignment that had group work. I don't remember how I did that. One of them had a peer review, maybe. Oh yeah, make a meaningful comment on at least two other students' posts. That's kind of my version of the peer review feature. I didn't love the way that I didn't love us actually assigning students because I actually don't think it works because there was supposed to be a peer review assignment in this Canvas course that I'm taking to make this screenshot right now, but I never got assigned anybody. So I don't actually think it works. So I don't really want to worry about that if this is just as easy. Seems dumb to me. What else? I swear I did a group assignment though. Let's see. Cloud assignment? Oh, I mean, that's something else, I guess. Okay, well, that's as good as it's gonna get because I'm done today. So there we go. There's my Canvas course that I've created so far. I'm working this summer on creating actual curriculum, and I don't want to do anything more with this course because I know that I'm going to change it because the district is giving us permission to use a different program. And I'm going to a workshop to actually create specific lessons for that. So this is where I will stop with the creation of this until probably August. So, yep, it's been a great year, great course. And I'm glad I'm learning about Canvas because I think it will make next year go a lot more smoothly, especially because of the different levels of my learners. I'm excited about the group feature, being able to assign different modules to different students once I level them. So, yep.